One of the biggest realizations I had after this litigation was, at a certain point when you're too deep in the litigation, it really feels like when you win this, everything will change. But that's actually not true. It's only a part of the picture. In like democratic theory, it's only one third of the picture, what judicial branch can do. And there's a certain limit to it, and there's a reason to that. So rule of law is there to provide the protection of the minority being the future generation in this specific case. And having the court to rule on that gives us a safety net or a floor that cannot be breached. So it really raises the bottom line. But bottom line is not what we're going for, and that's what we need. We need to go to what's scientifically needed, and all that space between the bottom line and what is scientifically needed is a matter of politics, the democratic process. So when we have the litigation as an important tool, it's just a tool. And we need that movement. We need the people to get on the street. We need the politicians to speak more. We need the corporates to act more responsibly. And we need consumers to push the corporates to act responsibly. All the other elements need to be there together to make the actual change. So the fact that we have discovered this judicial tool, a legal tool in the past 5 years, I think it's a great discovery and a great development, but it actually shows how much more movement and how much more democratic change that we also need to actually make this into reality.